Hi everyone, this is CE Divine with part 4 of the Impala stereo integration build. This time I am detailing how to remove the door panels. I'm only going to show the passenger side, but the driver's side will be the same story. You'll just have one more plug on the other side for the door lock controls. First we're going to start by exposing a few bolts. These reflectors that you have on the lower half just pop off. You got those two clips, and then there are actually the retainer parts. Then underneath that are some 7mm bolts. I can't find my tool, just had a little stinker. There it is. You can see that bolt right in there. Just reach your 7mm socket in there. That little guy just comes right out of there. And then the second part we're going to do is down inside the panel. A little plastic thing comes out, and there are two T30 Torx bits down in there that need to be removed. Sorry about the wiggly camera. This is a little harder with one hand than with both hands. So take your T30 bit on both of those. I'm just kind of getting started here. And then do the rest of them by hand. And these are pretty decent length screws. Probably about 1.5 inches or 2 inches long. I would use my drill on this, but it's a 18-volt drill, and I just worry about over torquing those or stripping any of these quick connectors out. You don't want to do that. Next, we're going to go over here behind the door handle, and there's that little black cover and that little slot right there. Just get your flat-bladed screwdriver in there. Pry that loose, and there's another 30mm or T30 Torx bit behind there. Let me see if I can do this resting the camera on my knee. So there's all of the bolts. Now the next thing we're going to want to do is pull this plastic panel up. It's a little stiff. It's held in with some speed clips. One of them popped off down in there. And there it goes. There's one of the speed clips that came off. They like to come off. I've noticed on this passenger side they come off more than they do on the driver's side. I'm not sure if I'm going to super glue those back in there. I probably won't, because the pressure in there is sufficient to hold them in. Then under there, this is like on the driver's side, you've got two clips in there for the screw, or not the screw, for that connector. Let me see if I can do it this way. And then that comes off. There's that little tab right there to hold it in. And the next thing go to is the sail panel up here. Don't roast me for using a screwdriver on the bare paint. That pops off. And the next thing, actually, I'll get this rag.